Hey lovelies! Welcome to my first official YouTuber video, Get Ready With Me New Year's Eve style. From starving artist to fabulous. Just stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did this look. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave because that would be awesome. I would appreciate it so much. I'm going to show you how I created this look. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I have been doing makeup since I was like 12. So without further ado, let's get into this video and slay. Right now I have nothing on my face. This is what I actually look like. So I'm gonna start with my primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite BB cream. Right now I'm just using BB creams. My technique's not perfect, it ends up looking good. I look like a tribal warrior right now. It's a good look, huh? It's weird doing my makeup out here in my bedroom because I'm used to doing it in my bathroom standing because I always have better lighting in there. But I'm not gonna film in there because my fan is too loud and all you're gonna hear is just like the brrr. It's not a good look. Now, I just dropped my palette. Now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer as my contour. Just getting makeup all over my glass counters. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my blush. I really like this palette that I got from Kylie. I feel naked without my brows. Like, once you do your brows, you can't go back. And I've always just really liked makeup. So I'm gonna go in with this color. I wear this like every day and it just works. It's called Rosé. Just go in and outline my lips. This is the trick to make it look like you got lip injections and you never did. People always think that I got them done, but I really didn't. It's just the proper use of lip liner and lipstick and some gloss, and there you go. So now I'm gonna go in with some primer. So now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. So this is the one I've been using the most, the Kylie birthday kit, which I really like. This is my favorite color to use. It's the most used up. I really like this light color to start with. This one as a transition shade, as like a base. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this color as a transition shade. Just go in with a very light touch. And my friends are all like freaking out right now about New Year's, like about the guest list, and it's kind of stressful. I'm hearing all that in the background on the phone over there. New Year's is such a stressful time because you always want to like find the perfect party to go to, make sure you have the perfect date, have the perfect outfit, perfect makeup, perfect setting, perfect party, perfect alcohol. It's a lot of pressure. I just want to have a fun night. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a light brown shade as another transition shade on my crease and just move it a little bit lower than where this color is to give it some definition. So now I'm going to go back to this birthday palette and go for the shade Birthday Girl. It's a very neutral metallic. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade and just go on the outer corner. And just like blend that in. I really just want to do my inner corners of my eyes with this white shade called Jack Frost. I think I need to stand up and do this. So I just went ahead and did my first eye with Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is the best one that I've ever bought in my life. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with this light brown color. That looks good. And I'm gonna go in with the pink. What I'm gonna do now is go in with the purple. I look like myself again. Just tap it off. And just do the top. And make sure that's blended in from darkest to the outer, lightest on the inside. So now I'm gonna go in with this black and do my waterline. I'm gonna pop a little bit of highlight. I need some mascara. I like how this look came out. Oh, I just need to do my bottom lashes and some highlight and then lipstick, then do my hair, and then I'm done. Yay! Ooh, yes, look at that glow. Ooh. Do on the bridge of my nose. I'm starting to look like myself now. AKA full face of makeup. I feel like I should put some glitter on my lids. Just to drive the point home. Let's see, maybe this one. This is like a iridescent color. It's gonna tap that off really well. Alright, the glitter's on there. So now most of my makeup is done. I'm looking like me. I feel like a beauty blogger right now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set it. The Urban Decay All Nighter. This one works like a boss. And my face is good to go. Gotta leave pretty soon. This is taking me a lot longer than I thought. Now that I've made a complete mess of my desk, I have to do my hair and I'll be back. I'm actually one of those girls who does a full face of makeup and does nothing to her hair. I let it air dry and just brush it and let it do its thing. And I don't like to heat style my hair because I feel like it damages it. It does. So I think this is the look I'm gonna end up doing. It's sparkly, it's New Year's, and I have... Alright, so this is the look I'm gonna wear. Sparkly, black skirt, and some velvet shoes. These are really comfortable for standing in, which is why I wear these instead of stilettos now. And then I got some jewelry on. My hair looks good, not really done. It's just kind of like beach wavy. It's kind of my look. I have to bend down so far because I'm really tall and my mirror's not high enough. So now that my wardrobe is picked out, I'm gonna go in with the lips. So I'm gonna go in with this one. So I just wiped off some of that lip gloss that was plumping my lips. So now I'm gonna apply some lip balm to the center of my lips. And now I'm gonna go in with this pinky color. It's called Scentbird. I'm gonna let that dry for a minute. Dry, girl, dry. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade from Kylie right in the center of my lips. Now I'm going to go in with this shade, the Kylie Cocoa Collection, and just put a dab right in the center of my lips. We are done. I just went ahead and sprayed some perfume on. Can't leave the house without a fragrance. So I'm just gonna finish off the look with a jacket and we're good to go. And you officially gotten ready with me. So this was fun. When you're an independent artist, it's really important to learn to do things by yourself so you don't have to keep hiring people to do things for you. So I've just trained myself on YouTube University of makeup tutorials, and whoa, Marilyn Monroe was right there. That's kind of creepy because I just saw a face. So over the past few months I've put out a lot of different music videos and cover videos, and I have a bunch of recordings up. I have a full album that's done. I have a full cover album that's done. So I'm just waiting to release all of this and I'm trying to line up shows. I've decided to pursue my music professionally since I was 16 and I'm still working really hard at it. It's a struggle. It's not easy in any way. So I'm gonna take you through my journey as an independent singer-songwriter, pop artist, whatever you want to call it, and just take you along, and as I go through things I'll explain what I do and you can learn from my journey as I go. I'm gonna show you how I make music videos for no money. All you need is some talented friends and some good lighting and creative makeup, creative styling, and that's pretty much it. There's a lot of things that I've just gotten really good at just because I had to, because I didn't want to have to pay people to do things, so I've just learned. Like, I learned Photoshop when I was like 12 because I just like liked editing my photos and I've always loved photography, so I'm like really good at all the creative stuff, like painting and anything visual I love. I'm gonna teach you how I do my vocal warm-ups when I'm getting ready for shows. As an artist, as a girl boss, a girl living in Los Angeles, on her own, no help from my parents. I've just survived out here. I've been very creative and just had to make it work. The message I want to get across is that you don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. You can be broke and fabulous at the same time. You can be a starving artist, but you don't have to look like one. So it's really hard. Like, people think I'm like really wealthy and I have everything going on for me. I only show you the good stuff. So I just want to be able to like be open and share more of my life with you guys, because like you mean the world to me, and I couldn't have my music career without you, and I want to be able to perform and see you guys at my shows and be able to send you like signed copies of my album, and I just want to create stuff and connect with you guys. And I want you to think about something that you're really good at that can also help people, and something that you can make money at, because there's no point in doing something you don't like, working for somebody else, doing something you hate. I don't want to be a slave, and you shouldn't either. Life is too short to be a slave for somebody else. So do what you love. I don't care. Quit your job. I mean, don't quit your job, but I have to make it with my music. I don't have a choice. I don't want to have a second option. Like, I don't want to have to work at a desk for somebody else the rest of my life. I just want to make it. Live like you're not gonna live again another day. Just do what you love. Be with the people you love. Laugh every day. Live stylishly. Don't be broke. But if you are, it's okay, because it happens. We all go through phases. I want you to live your dreams. Life is too short to not go for your dreams and your goals and everything on your wish list. Live your best life. You only live once, and I really want you to take that away. Alright, that's it. It was a lot of fun making this video for you guys, and I hope you stick around and subscribe. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned to the music and the videos I'm going to be doing soon. And I'm going to go have fun at New Year's. Thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Mwah. XOXO. Oh, I finally found the good light. It only took me the entire video. Alright. Have a great night. XOXO and slay.